Hey there everyone, this is Jessica from Domesticatedme.com, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create this pretty and pink makeup look using all new products. All the products that I feature in this video have been sent to me in PR. Rather than just showing you or just leaving you with an unboxing of things that have been sent to me, I'm going to show you what they look like on me, how they apply. I'm going to show you what they can do. So if you want to learn how to recreate this look and maybe learn about new products that are out there that you might want to add to your collection, then let's get started. I'm going to start by applying Dr. Brandt's Pores No More Pore Refiner Primer. Then I'm going to do my regular foundation routine, which I've covered before, so I won't go through it, but everything will be listed in the description box below. Now for the fun part, I'm going to finally open up the Rosé All Day palette by Karity. I'm going to begin by applying Bottled Up along the brow bone. Then I'm going to apply Sunday above my crease. Then I'm going to apply L'Chaim across the crease, but concentrating the shadow at the outer corners. To ensure the lid on my shadow really pops, I'm going to apply concealer to the centers of my lids. Then I'm going to apply brunch over the concealer. Now I'm going to blend and also pack on a little more L'Chaim to the outer corners. I'm going to pick up Sunday and apply it to my lower lash line with a pencil brush. To create more dimension and deepen this eye look, I'm going to apply Salud to the outer corners. Now I'm going to use my new favorite liner. This is NYX Epic Ink Liner. Now I'm going to apply BrowFood Aqua Brow Powder and Pencil Duo to my brows. I'm going to apply Clink right under the arches of my brows. Now I'm going to curl my lashes. And align my waterline with Urban Decay's Perversion eyeliner pencil. Now I'm going to try the Elevated Lash Mascara by Ish. This mascara features short, stiff bristles, which I think are great for lower lashes. Now I'm going to apply some Chocolate Soleil from Too Faced. Picking up the Pixi Glow Cake in Pink Champagne Glow. I loved the glowy cheeks this gave me, and I would 100% wear this without any highlighter for my everyday makeup. But because today is not one of those everyday makeup look days, I'm going to apply the Sublime highlighter from the Pow Pink Blush Bomb palette from Karity. I almost forgot. This is Pixi Beauty's Endless Silky Eye Pen in Opal Overcoat. Pixi makes the best pencils, so you should really look into them if you haven't tried them already. I'm going to line my lips with Huda Beauty's Lip Contour Pencil in Muse. Now I'm going to apply Pixi by Petra's Really Rose Liquid Lipstick. And I'm going to top that with Huda Beauty's Lip Strobe in Angelic, concentrating it at the center of my lips and blending it out. My last step is to apply Pixi Beauty's Makeup Fixing Mist. And here is my final pretty in pink look. I love it. I think it's very feminine and lovely, and I think it's perfect for the spring and summer. If you like shades of pink, then this is definitely something that you can recreate at home, either using your own collection or some of these products that I feature. I really am into Karity. I think it's a really great brand. Super affordable, love that. But then also they have that philanthropic component that they do help out animals at the same time, so gotta love that. Pixi Beauty, you know I've always loved Pixi Beauty. I've loved them for a very long time, so I'm always encouraging folks to try out their products because they really are really affordable and really great quality. Dr. Brandt's Pour No More is one of my favorite primers, actually one of the best primers I've ever used. So I'm so happy that they reached out and gifted me one because I finished mine and hadn't restocked it, so definitely thankful for them for sending me a new one. If you like this tutorial and these kinds of videos, please let me know by giving me a thumbs up and share, and don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and click that little bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you're notified as soon as my videos are out. I make new videos every single week, so if you are part of that notification squad, you will be notified as soon as a new video is out. As always, check out the description box below where I link to all the products that I feature in my video, as well as my social media. I'm on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. All the links are down there. And say hello in the comment section, or if you have any requests, a comment, let me know. You guys know that I always love to hear from you guys. Click or tap right here to watch my last video, or click down below to watch another video that you might enjoy. Thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned.